Hi children, how are you? Good morning. Welcome to our maths class once again. I hope all of you have watched our last maths class. All of you have watched now? Okay. And I gave some notebooks works to you. All of you done? All of you done? Most of you done. Okay. Don't be lazy. You don't be lazy. Do your works regularly. Okay. Let's start our class. Today our aim is to study, to write the expanded form, number names and rounding off of a 4-digit number. And anyone remember what we have studied in our last class? What are the concepts we studied? We studied the abacus, place value chart, place values and phase values of 4-digit numbers. Okay, I think all of you remember that. Then I am going to write here a number 3279. And my question is this odd or even? How to find out a number odd or even, children? Odd numbers always ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The numbers which ends in these numbers are called odd, and the numbers which ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. And our question is the number 3279. We should put a comma in between 1000 and 100 that we studied in our last class. And this is odd or even. In ones place the number is 9, so this belongs to odd. Okay, and another number 4272. Here in ones place the number is 2, so this number is even. Clear? And today we are going to learn what is the expanded form of a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number 4279. How to write the expanded form? Before writing the expanded form, we can write the place value chart of this number. Okay? How to draw a place value chart, children? We should draw 4 columns. And the first column is about thousands. Next is hundreds. Next tens. Next ones. And in this number, how many ones are there? There are 9 ones. And how many tens are there? 7 tens. Then how many hundreds are here? 2 hundreds. And how many thousands are here? 4 thousands. Okay, let's see how to write the expanded form of a number. The expanded form is sum of the values of digits in a number. Okay, and here in our last class we studied about values. Values we studied now, and here the face value of 4 is 4 and its value is, it's in thousands place, so value of 4 in this number is 4000. Okay, the next is put a plus, and the value of 2 is 200. How we got it? Put 2 and 2 zeros. 100 has 100 ends in 2 zeros. Plus 70 plus 9. This is the expanded form of this number. Okay? Expanded form means sum of the values of digits in a number. It is the expanded form. Okay? Let's see another example. 3, 2, 1 and 5. And here it is 3. Here in hundreds place it is 2. And in tens place it is 1. And in ones place it is 5. How to write the expanded form, children? How to write? Here it is 3. So the value is 3000. And 200s are here. 200s are here. So we can put the value is 200. Then in ones place it is the number is 1. So in tens place the number is 1. So our value is, this value is 10, and in ones place it is 5. This is the expanded form of 3215. Okay, clear? Next we can consider the number names of 4-digit number. We all know all the things have names. This is duster, this is chalk, this is board, like that. Numbers also have names, number names. Suppose this is the number, 4-digit number. First we can write its expanded form. 1 is in thousands place. So in thousands place there is only 1. 1000 place there is 1 is here. And in hundreds place there is 2. So its value is 200. And in tens place 7. So its value is 70, and in ones place the number is 8. So the value is 8. This is the expanded form. Then let's see what is the number name of this number. How many ones are here, children? 1. How many thousands are here? Only 1000. So we can write 1000. Then how many hundreds are here? 200s. So 200s. Then how many tens are here? 7. So these two we can write together. 70 plus 8 is 78, no? So this is 78. 1278 is the number name of this number. Next, I will write here a number name. Can you write that number? Let us see. Two thousand. 2000, 300, 34. How to write this 4-digit number? First you look at here. How many thousands are here? 2 thousands. So first digit is 2. Then how many hundreds are here? 3 hundreds. So 3 and 34. Next number is 34. This is the number name. This is the number. If the number name is given, we can write its number like this. Okay. We can consider one more example. The number is 9,900 and 99. How to write this number? This I am writing in words. How to write that number? How many thousands are there? 9. And in the hundreds place also 9. And next is 99. This is the number of this number name. Okay. Next we can study how to round off a number. Rounding off. Rounding off of a 4-digit number. What is meant by rounding off, children? Sometimes we don't need an exact amount when we solve problems. When we solve problems, we don't need an exact amount. That time when we round off the number. Round off the number to nearest 10 or nearest 100. Suppose one of your friend is sitting next to you and another is sitting somewhere in that room. Okay, and if you need a pencil, to whom you will ask? To whom you will ask? You will ask the one who is sitting closer to you. That is same rounding off. In rounding off a number, we will, and similarly we can round off a number to nearest 10 by finding out which 10 is closer to that number. Let us see the examples. First we can consider rounding off to nearest 10. Rounding off to nearest 10. I am going to write here a 4-digit number. This is 2378. First we should draw a number line. Okay, and this number lies in between which two tens? This is 2370 and here 2380. Okay, in between there are 9 numbers. Okay, and for rounding off a number, 4-digit number to nearest 10, first you check the number at the ones place. Which is the number here? It is 8. And we know that 8 is greater than 5. And this 8, 2378, 2378, it will be here. If it is greater than or equal to 5, we will round off to the next higher 10. So, rounding to nearest 10 of this number is 2380. Let us see another example. 2372. Okay? 3272. First, what is our first step? We should draw a number line, and this number lies in between 2370 and 2380. Then the number at the ones place is 2, and 2 is less than 5. Where this number comes? 72. If this number is less than 5, it will round off to the lower 10. So, on rounding of this number, we get 2370. Another number we can consider. Here, at ones place, it is 5. 5 is not less than or not greater than equal to 5. It is equal to 5. If the number is equal to 5, it will round off to the next higher 10. That is, rounding off this, we get 2380. Next, we can consider rounding off to nearest 100 of a 4-digit number. If the number is 4532, rounding off a number to nearest 100 means after rounding off, that number ends in 2 zeros. So, we should look at the number at the tens place. First, we should draw a number line, and this number lies between which two hundreds? After rounding off to nearest 100, this number ends in 2 zeros. It may be either 4500 or 4600. For this, we should check the number at the tens place. So, okay, and here the number is 3. Here the number is 3, so it is less than 5. Where this number comes, it will be somewhere here, that is in between here, 4, 5, 3, 2. Okay, 3 is less than 5, and this number, it will go to round off to here or here. It round off to here because it is less than 5. Okay, another example we can consider. Four, 5, 9 to 4,592. And in this number, you check the number at the hundreds place, sorry, tens place, and 9, that is 9, that is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5, and this number, it comes somewhere here. 1, 2, somewhere here. Okay children, let us consider this number 4,592. We can draw a number line, and this number lies between which two hundreds? 4,500 and 4,600. Okay, then our number is 4,592. It comes here because this number is 4,590. So naturally it will round off to here. How it round off to here? Here our number is 9 at the tens place. Number is 9 at the tens place. It is greater than 5. So it is round off to 4,000, next higher hundreds. Consider our number 4,552. 4,552. Where the 4,552? This is 4,510, 20, 30, 40 and 50. 4,550 is here. So the 4,552 comes somewhere here. Then you look the number at the tens place. Which is the number? It is 5. 5 equal to 5. If the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, it will round off to the next higher hundred. So on rounding of this, we get 4,600. Okay. We can see one more example. Rounding off to nearest 10. First we can consider one example of rounding off to nearest 10. The first question, 3,922. What is the answer? So first you draw a number line, and this number lies between which two tens? Okay, children, one example I wrote here, 3,722. How to round off this number to nearest 10? First of all, we draw a number line. Okay, and between which two tens this number lies? It lies between 3,720 and 3,730. Then you check which number is here at the ones place. When we round off to nearest 10, we check the number at the ones place. What is meaning of rounding off to the nearest 10? Means that number after rounding off, the last number should be 0. This number's last number should be 0. So it may be either 3,720 or it may be 3,730. Okay, let us check. And at the ones place, the number is 2. Okay, and the 2 is less than 5. So This number lies here 3722, and this is closer or this is closer. This one is closer. So after rounding off we get 3720. Okay, then next we can consider rounding off to nearest 100. The same example we can take the same number, that is 3722. Rounding off to nearest 100 means that number when it ends there is 2 zeros. It ends in 2 zeros. We know 100 has 2 zeros, and the last 2 zeros in these numbers there is no 22. This number ends in 2 zeros. So we can draw a number line, and this number lies between which two hundreds? 3800, 3700 and 3800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 divisions are in between. And you check the number at the tens place. When we round off to nearest 100, you check the number at the hundreds place. That's again 2. 2 is less than 5. Okay. So we can round off to here or here. This is 3722. 3710. This is 3720. And 22 comes somewhere here. 3722 comes somewhere here. So it is round off to here or here. It round off to here. Okay, because this is the closer number. This is the closer 100. Okay. I hope all of you understood today's concepts about the expanded form, number names, and rounding off to nearest 110. Rounding off is little bit difficult for you. So you try. I will send you the practice questions and additional practice questions in the WhatsApp group, and you try to do it. Okay, and do all the works regularly in your notebook. Okay.